TD, CIBC, or Amex Aeroplan credit card? Or are you planning to get one? Or are you working in an industry where your customers ask for information and advice about the Aeroplan credit card? Hey everyone, I'm Mira. I've spent years in aviation and have insider's view on customers' pain points. I've also contributed to an AI research on agentic AI. In this video, I'm giving you a walkthrough of how you can create an Aeroplan credit card research AI agent in Claude step by step and save hours when researching information either for yourself or for your customers. In this video, we are breaking down what an AI agent is in plain English, how you can use simple AI guardrails to get 100% accurate information every time, and why standard AI fails. To create an agent in Claude, all you have to do is log into your Claude account. If you don't have a Claude account, you can create a Claude account. There's a free version of Claude that you can use to create your personal AI agent. So once you are logged into your Claude account, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the interface and look for projects on the left side, and then open up the projects tab and go on your right and click on new project. Give a name to your agent where it says what are you working on. You can give any name to your agent, something that you can remember. And when you have named your agent, you can also describe what you're trying to achieve through this agent. So once you've done that, create project. And once you have created a project, you will come to the new screen where you can see your agent up here. Now your agent is ready. Next step will be to give instructions to your agent. This is where you add instructions for your agent. A link to the instructions file is in the comments section and description below. Once you have added in instructions, click on save instructions, and then you're going to next, after adding instructions, you will give your agent knowledge context, which is a document that has strict rules and tools called guardrails for the agent to follow. Link to the knowledge document is in the comments and description below. Why this step is important, I have explained later in the video, so stay till the end. So once you add your instructions and a knowledge base file, this is how your agent screen will look like. And the way it's going to work is all you have to do is simply type in the prompt or question that you want to ask your Aeroplan and agent, and it will give you response exactly the way AI chat responds. This agent is designed to answer a range of questions. For example, in this one, we want to know if whether the travel perks as free checked baggage or priority boarding applies when the flight is purchased using the points. So the agent kind of dives into the information, and see, it also gives what's in the fine print, and it gives you all the information. And it also gives you the timestamp and the source that it got its information from. And the next one, you can ask question like, can an additional Aeroplan cardholder use airline perks when traveling without the primary account holder? So the agent starts or searches the web, gets all the information for you. Here are the perks. And then it also gives you one thing that trips people, that is information that is not apparent and that you should be aware of. And it also, again, it gives you the timestamp and the source that it got its information from. Here's another example of question that you can ask agent. Example like, tell me what percentage of a trip needs to be charged to the card or covered via points to trigger travel delay. And again, it gives you all the information about trip cancellation, trip interruption insurance. And then it also talks about one exception that might not be apparent when you look for the information. And there are a couple of things, a couple of notes that are worth flagging. It flags those and also gives a timestamp and the source. This agent's not making up any information. It searches the web and gets all the information that is current and in real time. You would say, why would I need an agent when I can just ask or prompt the AI chat I use? Imagine hiring an assistant who speaks with confidence, but half of what they tell you is just made up. This is standard AI chat. When it comes to your money and credit card rewards, guessing isn't good enough. You need true facts and information, not guesswork, because that's your finances. An AI agent is like hiring a manager with strict checklist. Instead of relying purely on memory, an agent has specific tools and strict rules called guardrails. Before an agent gives you an answer, it follows three simple safety checks as part of its workflow. Input rules, it checks if your question is clear and within bounds. Execution rules, it doesn't just guess. It goes out, it checks live data sources like current bank information sheets and aggregators' websites. And last is output rules. It verifies its own answer before showing it to you, double checking for hidden fine print like annual fees or spend windows. Once you see the difference between standard AI and a guardrail AI agent, it's impossible to go back. It's the difference between guessing and actually knowing. If you want to build this exact system yourself, I have put together a complete beginner friendly guide. It breaks down the exact architecture, rules, setups we use to build our Aeroplan credit card research agent. You can grab that full document at the link right down in the description below to start building your own accurate AI tools today. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below letting me know what AI tools you are building next.